Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MGTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this green line annotation is coming from. And after today's price action, definitely some updates here need to be done. First update just comes from a simple foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed above, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, and I talked about the $2.60 level as support, now that the price is broken below it, this would be the near-term level of resistance. So to give some credit where credit's due, late day action on the stock. Yeah, the bulls definitely showed some signs of strength via a nice little bounce right here. Is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? I have no idea, but the first test and the first kind of way to answer that question on the power of the current bounce is, can the price get back up above $2.60, that initial resistance right there? In the event the price can push through it, then the next overall level of resistance is up there at that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I believe I talked about this in yesterday's video, but you go back through the history of the chart, and that's just the most recent time, but there was a couple other times where the price was directly rejected from that area. But I'm kind of getting a little bit ahead of myself, because really no point in talking about doing battle with the 50-period until the bulls can first cross that first step, and that quote-unquote step, once again, being quantified as getting up above $2.60. As far as levels of support are concerned, pretty straightforward. The bleeding finally stopped today. There was enough buyers that subsided things down here at, let's see, $2.40. So $2.40, newest area of support going forward. To give some credit where credit's due, the price did go sideways, which is good. The price started to head back upwards, which is good. But there's still a lot more work to be done, because the price has also gone sideways on several other occasions, only to have the price roll back over. So I mean, I'm not saying that it wasn't a good day on the bulls' part. The bulls showed some strength, but there's still work to be done. And that first bit of work to be done, the first kind of item on the checklist that they need to mark off is getting back up above 260. So we'll see if they can get the job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.